it's Dmitry. Today we are going to talk about microbevel and multibevel. These are two techniques that might be helpful for you and your knife. What are they? When we need them? Why we need them? Each one of them is for a certain application. Let's find out. Microbevel is a good solution for kitchen knives made of soft or medium-level steel. It helps prolonging the life of the cutting edge by increasing its density with the natural stone. Arkansas, call it whatever you like. The main idea is to increase the angle in the end of the sharpening process for about 2.5 degrees and create the so-called microbevel with the natural stone. In most cases, the more effort and time you put into quality of the microbevel, better cutting characteristics it provides for your blade. It cuts better and longer. Natural sharpening stones allow to increase the density of the cutting edge tip that cuts through the material. Spending more time to remove the burr results in enhanced density of the edge that will resist lateral loads better and longer. Microbevel is less rough than the remaining part of the cutting edge. It helps the knife to enter the material that it cuts, and the rougher surface above the microbevel does the rest of the job, dividing the material that you cut. Multibevel may not be as pretty as a mirror finish, but it's tough enough. To my opinion, this is one of the best and fastest techniques to get your knife ready for action. Just 3 stones, 3 bevels, about 3-5 minutes, and you are ready to go. This method is a good choice when you don't have time to work the knife with whole set of stones. To create the first bevel, we took the extra coarse stone. It's about 120 grit. So one of my clients requested to sharpen this knife for 50 degrees. To reach 50 degrees, we will need to start with about 23 degrees per side and increase the angle every time we change the stone. He asked me to make so because he uses this knife more like a hatchet than like a knife. Now to create the second bevel, we took a 600 grit stone. It will help us to process the surface of the cutting edge and reach the second level. Now we will take the last finishing stone. It will be 1000 grit. This will be the third bevel of our knife, and the sharpening angle will be about 50 degrees. Important thing here, to make all 3 bevels visible for you, you may see that I moved the stones in 3 different directions. But when you will sharpen your knife, don't put your effort into this, simply because you will waste your time for nothing. Move the sharpening stone as you like. This technique is only for your demonstration. As you may see now, we have 3 bevels. We spent less than 5 minutes to make this knife sharp again. Does this technique improve the cutting characteristics of the knife? Well, the answer is no. But its main advantage is that we are getting a sharp knife faster than usual. The cost? Well, the cost is pretty simple. The cutting edge is not as smooth as when it is polished, but it gets the job done, and it's great.
Well,
It was just 2 life hacks that we wanted to share with you. Hope this information was useful for you. Don't forget to press like to this video. If you want to see any additional info on a certain topic on our channel, welcome to the comments down below. See you next time.